Hello, YouTubers, entrepreneurs, future millionaires. Thanks for tuning in. Well, I wanted to do a review on Bluehost today. It's actually it's a web hosting service, and also they offer email and many other services. But one thing I want to tell you guys about this, it's beside the fact that the plan is very affordable. You're only looking under $4 a month. That's incredible. I mean, that's $60 for the whole year. But what you get with this, it's really what really makes it stands out. You have direct toll-free number to call here in the event you have a question. You can chat with their customer service, which is they're available 24/7. Also, what makes Bluehost different from other website hosting providers? They're actually with over 2 million websites utilizing our platform. They already have over 2 million websites worldwide utilizing Bluehost as a hosting service, as their platform, that's pretty powerful. That says a lot about the company. That's something. It speaks for their reputation. Also over here. Does Bluehost provide domain name with web hosting? Yes, it does. You actually get a free domain name, and you can pick whatever you want, .com, .org, .net, whatever it is that you want. And also, can you transfer your existing domain to Bluehost? Yes, you can. It's really, really easy to do. Simply navigate to your domain migration section and get it done on the dashboard. It takes minutes. And how do I migrate to Bluehost? Bluehost provide migration service to help you move your website from whoever you're with right now into the Bluehost service. And again, it's only $3.95 a month. That's really, really good. One thing I did miss over here that I know it's really, really important. Does Bluehost provide a domain name? Yep, you get hosting name. You get they provide you with a free domain, and Bluehost have different other website hosting providers. There was a point that I missed. How do I get? Oh yeah, there it is. That's really important here. Do I get an email address with my web hosting account? Yes, regardless of what platform you choose. With Bluehost, email is included. You can create an email address that is directly tied to your domain name. So that's incredible, guys. I mean, you're gonna get your hosting. Oh, one thing I want to mention too, Bluehost. It's actually a key. If you look over here, Bluehost is actually recommended by Wordpress. So that speaks volume right there. It's for Wordpress to recommend Bluehost for a hosting service that speaks volume. What else do we need to talk about here? Beside the fact that it's very affordable, there's different plans. Of course, there's a VPS plan and there's dedicated plan. It all depends. For a beginner, for someone that's just starting out, the $3.95 a month is more than enough for you. And as your business get bigger and bigger and bigger, you can move on to the VPS or directed plan. So it's up to you. But I just want to do a quick review. I really love Bluehost. I think it's a great company, and I just want to do a quick review. And if you guys are interested in any host looking for a hosting company to start your blogging or whatever it is that you're doing out there, Bluehost is my #1 recommendation, and the link is in the description. Click on it, get started today, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because I'm always uploading new videos, and I don't want you to miss out on any of the upcoming videos. If you find this video helpful, please share it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.